Dambana could be best seen in the patong-patong na libingan. That's what you call apartment for rent graves. Those who are placed there are those who are really belonging to the poorest of the poor. For me, namatayan na nga ako, tapos tuluyan at permanente pang mawawala yung mahal ko, na nakawin dahil sa kahirapan, ninakaw na nga ng bala sa utos ni Digong. It's meant to be bare, where the word there is left unfinished. It's without paint. It's just a finished, kumbaga napalitadahan lang. Because it depicts their lives. It depicts the lives of the country. It depicts the life of the victims. In a sense that the death of their loved ones does not define the manner of how their lives should also end. An eternal flame reminding us that our faith, our flame for life and for hope should never get extinguished. That is the symbolism of that huge stone. In paghilom we say, nawalan ako ng isa o dalawa, nakasumpong naman ng pamilya. That's why sama-sama rin sila sa isang butas. Hindi sila nag-iisa. At kailanman, hindi na natin pababayaan silang mag-isa.